Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to get easy XP in Fortnite. To start, prioritize your daily and weekly quests. They are your most reliable source of experience points. Next, spend some time in creative mode each day, as it offers passive XP just for being active. Finally, always keep an eye on your milestones and accolades, as these small achievements add up quickly to boost your overall level. Daily quests are fantastic for quick experience point injections, resetting every 24 hours. Make sure to knock these out first. Weekly quests offer much larger rewards and will stack up if you miss a few days, so you can catch up later. Don't forget about milestones. These long-term goals provide substantial XP as you naturally play, so keep an eye on your progress. Creative mode is a goldmine for passive XP, allowing you to earn up to 1.2 million experience points daily just by being present. Accolades are mini achievements that pop up during matches, giving you instant XP for things like opening chests or getting eliminations. Playing with friends also helps, as Party Assist can share quest progress, making it easier for everyone to level up. To truly maximize your XP, always participate in limited-time events. These often feature unique challenges with generous experience point bonuses. Also, keep an eye out for XP Supercharge status, which significantly boosts your gains for a period. Before you go, remember that life's too short for cheap socks. Check the description for a link to Darn Tough socks and other great deals. They come with a lifetime warranty.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.